Hi, today we're going to be talking about the areas of the square, triangle, rectangle, and circle. Let's get started. So the area of a square is basically A is equal to S squared. And S is the side length of a square. So it's the side length times the side length, or the side length squared. The area of a triangle is half times base times height. The half is very important. The area of a rectangle is base times height. Now I want to take us quickly back to the area of a square. Now if you remember, a square is just a special case of a rectangle. So really the area of a square should be equal to base times height. And remember that the square's base is S, and the square's height is S because all the side lengths are the same in a square. So area is equal to S squared, and we get our little derivation here. Okay, now let's take a look at the last one, which is the area of a circle. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. R, oops, let me write it. R is the radius, which is shown here. Now, I would just recommend memorizing these formulas so that you will be able to use them whenever and wherever you need them. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples. Let's start off by looking at the square. Okay, so the square has a side length of 5. And we know that our formula for the square is A is equal to S squared. So area is equal to 5 squared. Kind of looks the same, huh? And therefore area is equal to 25. And here's a very important thing to add. Square units. So just like you write for length centimeter, or you write inches for lengths, you write square units for area, or square centimeters, square inches, like so on. Okay, now let's look at the rectangle. Now the rectangle has side lengths 10 and 2. And we know that the area for rectangle is equal to base times height. So area is equal to 2, because that's the base, times the height, which is 10. And that will equal 20 square units. Now let's take a look at a circle. Now the circle has a radius of 1, and we know that the formula for the area of a circle is area is equal to pi r squared. So area is equal to pi times 1 squared. So area is equal to pi, and so area is approximately 3.14 square units. Oh, can't put that. Okay, now let's take a look at our last one, which is the triangle. So the triangle, for the formula for the triangle is A is equal to half times base times height, which is equal to half times 10 times 8. So that's equal to half times 80, which is equal to 40 square units. So I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.